look good now, man. How that Lexi? Yeah. Figure that.
Figure that.
Sweet like a drinks. Yeah. Big up to Lashings Boutique Hotel. You don't know. A man thing. It was so great. Big up to Mr. Fobe anytime. You understand? So, back home on the grind again. You understand that was a great 100,000 celebration at Lashings Boutique Hotel. Just chilling. So stay tuned and watch the experience. Soon drop the videos in. A mad thing, man. No joke. Like so I say, easy. That is it. Look good now, man. Yes, massive. Jamaica is beautiful. It's nice. Love the place. Yeah, big up to all of the St. Elizabeth massive them. You understand? Yeah, I love this parish. It's beautiful. It's nice. Yeah.